Hello, Mr. Tyler.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Can you please present your company?
We are from South Korea and we are manufacturing the innovative power tools like such as drill, driver, but we manufacture and develop the brand new product and innovative.
Excellent. Could you show us, please, the product? What is revolutionary about it?
I brought our brand new product. This is our brand new and it doesn't look like just screwdriver. I mean hand screwdriver, but it has power like this, going forward, reverse, even you can change the bit. It's global standard. So you can find this accessory at any store and it is charged by USB. So
By USB?
Yes.
Oh, that's excellent, yes.
Yeah, so you can use your mobile charger or power bank. It takes 40 minutes to fully charge it and then you can, if you're operating like this, it will last about an hour. And electric torque is 2 Nm. You can also use it as manual screwdriver.
Excellent. Show me, please.
Yes. Just like this, hold it tight and just losing, tightening and finish with your hand.
Excellent. So which are the other features? USB chargeable, but also are there other features which are new?
No, actually no. Because this market is very conservative. If it's too much innovative, our customers doesn't like it. So our concept is just look like manual screwdriver but has power.
Excellent. Mr. Tyler, thank you very much indeed, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.